Okay, people. So, on my last video, I put if you had any questions about me or my channel to comment your questions in the comment section. And out of all 95 of y'all, I got one main question. That's it. One question. That question was from Tag Hill. And his question to me was, if you go all the way back to when I very first started, I think both of my first two videos featured tactical weapons and other stuff, so you can go check them out. But except for that, I've been doing reviews on like y'all know, a whole bunch of other different things. But he asked that question, and so today I'm doing a review. This blade is a 447 steel, CSA. CSA stands for Confederate States of America. That's why it has the rebel flag, Confederate flag. As soon as I saw this pattern, I had to have the blade, and it was only like $12 at this little liquor store, but I saw it in the showcase and I had to grab it. It says CSA, but it's actually made in China, just like this blade that I use a lot in my videos, the switchblade. This one actually says, this is actually a Tac Force blade, and it is Texcoline TF 598 440 stainless steel, USA design, handmade in China. Kind of crazy how a lot of people think the Confederate flag is racist, yet we have China manufacturing quite a lot of blades. This blade, when I bought it, was $20, and I actually got this at this store in the next city over. But like I said, for being made in China, they're pretty damn good knives. I know quite a lot of people think everything made in China is gonna break or is messed up, but this switchblade right here, I've had for like a year and a half or 2 years now, and it still pops up good. It's not loose at all. The whole time I've had it, I've done a bunch of different shit with it. I never had to even mess with the screws that are on here. But that's a great little switchblade. Don't want to too much get off track, because we are talking about this knife. This blade, though, is extremely sharp, which is why I have a band-aid on my finger. Long story short, I did something really stupid.
You stupid.
They're not. I'm not going to talk about that right now because I don't want to get off track. But I did today, about 20 minutes ago, find out that
Fucking no!
For being made in China, it is very well made. This would be a great everyday carry pocket knife. The strap on it to slide it in your pocket is good. Is really good. It's not cheap. It's not just gonna fall apart. It's strong. Can you just shush, please? Some people here would like me to point out the fact that it fits in your hand. And it fits in your hand pretty well. It has these grooves in it where your fingers just fit in perfectly. Kind of like brass knuckles, except obviously there's nothing over here. That would be kind of cool to have one like that, or maybe try to weld one on. But yeah, it fits right in your hand. Very good blade. So that is the CSA 440 stainless steel. Okay, made in China blade, pocket knife. And like I said, this would be great for everyday carry. Lately I've been seeing, well, not lately, but like earlier this month and last month, there was a lot of people that got tagged in the everyday carry, aka EDC pocket dump, and they had a lot of cool, interesting things. There's quite a lot of people that did it. I don't remember what everybody had. I remember Knife Monkey. Knife Monkey really loves Star Wars, and everything he had in his pockets that he carried every day was Star Wars themed. Go check out Knife Monkey for his blade videos. He does blade videos. He does paracord videos. Go check him out. If you want to learn knots, go check him out. Okay, so till then, this is my review of this blade. Y'all have a great day. God bless. Smash that like button if you liked the video. And if you're not already, please subscribe. Till then, I'm out.